Hello, it is I, Professor Zaccheus, coming to you from the Czech Republic, but not the University of Prague. No, this is the Zaccheus kitchen, and I am calling you, as you can see, very late at night, because I have a breakfast problem that needs solving, and I want to try to be able to solve this before Mrs. Zaccheus gets up. Alright, now, you perhaps have been studying properties of materials, solids, liquids, gases. You may know that all materials, all matter in the universe is held together by intermolecular forces. In other words, there are forces that cause atoms or molecules of the same kind to want to join together. In solids, these intermolecular forces are stronger, so they will hold their own shape. Whereas in liquids, the intermolecular forces are weaker. That means that the molecules or atoms can move around more, and as a result, liquids can flow. The problem I am having is with a particular liquid. This one, honey. Now, Mrs. Zaccheus and I both really like honey for breakfast, but Mrs. Zaccheus loves just a little bit of honey, whereas I like a lot of honey. The problem is, because Mrs. Zaccheus only wants a little bit of honey, if the honey runs too quickly, then it comes out too quickly and she has too much. Whereas, because I like a lot of honey, if the honey is flowing too slowly, then it takes too long to get on my toast, and my toast is cold. This is causing big problem. And that is where you come in. I am wanting you to conduct an investigation. I want you to try and find a way to make the honey more runny. Now that sounds funny, but is very serious problem. Now, in liquids, the speed at which the liquid flows is described as its viscosity. The greater the intermolecular forces in the liquid holding it together, the greater the viscosity and the slower the liquid will flow. That means in liquids that have less intermolecular forces, not as strong, the viscosity is less and the liquid flows more quickly. What I want you to try and do is find a way to change the intermolecular forces in the honey. In other words, change the viscosity, the speed at which the honey will flow. We both want to use the same type of honey, but there might be a way that we could change something about the honey to make it more runny, or less. Conduct fair test. Remember, changing only one variable. Start with your good scientific question, come up with idea, make prediction, see if you can find a way to change something about the honey so that it will run more or less quickly. Good luck and good science!